An important part with collaborative therapy is to have a sense of safe conversation where each individual is open to exploring new ideas until the problem is no longer a problem. Speaking the client's language is also a vital part of the sessions. By talking the way they talk and not speaking with expert terms, the client will feel more comfortable with the therapist, and instead of it being a timed session, it will flow like individuals having a conversation, which in turn will make the client feel more comfortable about opening their lives to somebody else. The role of the therapist is to facilitate a conversation that is going to promote change in the areas the client wants to transform. There are no set of questions the therapist must follow to get the client to this place. It will also come through conversation. The therapist will talk to the client in the language they use every day instead of using his or her own language or expertise words. Collaborative therapists go into each session with an open mind and have no expectations of where the session is going to end at. It is also very important for the therapist to respect and appreciate that each client brings their own uniqueness to the therapeutic relationship. The therapist helping the clients feel that they have control of their own lives and that they can take significant action in which direction they want it to go. By giving the client the ability to make their own decisions and choose the path they want to take with their own life, the therapist is increasing their sense of self-agency. The therapist will not ask any questions to the family from a professional theory. Instead, only questions that come from the dialogue that has been created and only used out of curiosity.